Hello, welcome to the bartender world. My name is Bikram Rai. So today I'm gonna make a classic whiskey shot. So which is I already ready with my glass, garnishes, lemon, egg, whiskey. So today I'm going to make a classic whiskey shot. So first of all, before I start the cocktail whiskey shot, I want to give you a little bit introduction of whiskey shot. So the whiskey shot is a mixed drink containing whiskey, lemon juice, sugar, and optionally the egg white. So a mixed drink with a base spirit, citrus juice, and a sweetener. A traditionally whiskey shot is made with lemon juice, sugar, and egg white. The egg white adds a creamy, rich flavor and a fruity texture to the surface, which is fun to drink. So let's start. I'll take a shaker and twister. So I'll put ice cube. I'll take a whiskey. I'll put a 60 ml of whiskey. The fresh lemon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, 15 ml. Little bit sugar syrup. Then egg white. Okay, so this shot is ready.